Today we asked women over 40 to share their funniest and most awkward Brazilian wax moments. And let me tell you, the responses were hilarious. From unexpected guest appearances to unfortunate hair removal mishaps, these stories had us laughing out loud. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be entertained. You won't want to miss this. And for more funny and relatable stories about women over 40, do we won't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We've got plenty more where this came from. Kicking off our list is a comical tale of mistaken identity from Cheryl. My mom booked a Brazilian wax at a reputable salon. When it was time to remove the wax, the esthetician accidentally pulled off my mom's entire back, including her butt crack. Imagine her surprise when she looked down and saw a bare butt crack. To make matters worse, the salon was fully booked that day, so they couldn't immediately fix the mistake. My mom had to walk around with no back and butt crack hair for the rest of the day until the salon could squeeze her in for a redo. Talk about an unexpected and rather revealing twist. Next up, we have a story of sibling rivalry gone wrong from Catherine. I used to get my eyebrows threaded, and my sister would always joke about getting a Brazilian wax. One day she decided to get one as a surprise for me. The next time I saw her, she was sporting a unibrow because the wax had only removed half of each eyebrow. She looked like Frida Kahlo, but things take a turn for the worse. When Susan shares her harrowing tale of a wax gone horribly wrong, I went to a highly recommended spa. The lady who did the wax seemed inexperienced, but I trusted her. After the first strip, she told me I needed to lay face down. She then proceeded to yank the strips off without any lubricant and ripped off all my hair, including my butt crack. It was the most painful experience ever. And to top it off, she tried to charge me $80 instead of the agreed upon $35. Needless to say, I refused to pay and left. I couldn't even walk properly for 2 days. This experience was traumatic and has made me terrified of Brazilian waxes ever since. From botched waxes to unwanted guests, our next story will have you cringing with laughter. It's from Jackie. My daughter booked a Brazilian wax, and during the procedure, her 4-year-old sister walked in and shouted, "Mommy, what are you doing?" The look on the face of the lady doing the wax was priceless. She stopped the procedure, looked at the little girl, and said, "Is this your mom or yours?" My daughter was mortified. To make matters worse, the little girl replied, "She's mine." The esthetician burst out laughing and told my daughter there was no way she was finishing the wax with that little snoop sitting in the other room. They had to reschedule. Sometimes the funniest moments happen when you least expect them. Just ask Chris. I had an elderly aunt who refused to shave her nether regions, much to the dismay of her husband. One day while visiting, he finally convinced her to get a Brazilian wax. As she sat in the bathroom after the wax, she heard a knock on the door. Thinking it was her husband, checking up on her, she yelled, "Come in," not realizing it was actually the toilet paper. The toilet paper. It's not just embarrassing moments that can make us laugh. Sometimes, it's the unexpected surprises along the way. Take the story shared by Debbie. I bought my wife a gift certificate for a Brazilian wax. As part of a birthday present. She'd never had one before, and was a bit nervous. After the first visit, she came out of the spa feeling great and very smooth. However, within a few days, she noticed some regrowth. So she booked another appointment for a touch. During the second wax, her tech informed her that her hair was already growing back in. This surprised Debbie since she'd only noticed regrowth after the first wax. The tech explained that her hair had grown out to its maximum length during the first wax, and that's when she noticed the regrowth. But since the hair had been freshly waxed, it would take a few weeks to grow back. The moral of the story: if you want a Brazilian wax, make sure you're prepared for multiple appointments. But sometimes the best Brazilian wax stories are the ones that are completely real and relatable. Just ask Lisa. I recently got my first Brazilian wax ever. I was both excited and nervous. I had read horror stories online, and my friends had given me mixed reviews. Despite my apprehension, I decided to go for it. The wax wasn't as bad as I had imagined. The only downside was that it took almost an hour. That was my first clue that something was wrong. My tech didn't seem experienced and kept making mistakes. At one point she even burned my skin with hot wax. But I endured through gritted teeth and a lot of pain. Finally, when she removed the last strip, I noticed that she had missed a spot. I asked her to go back and finish the job, but she told me she was done. I paid and left, planning to never go back. Once I got home, I looked in the mirror and noticed that the wax had removed all my hair except for a small patch in the front. I couldn't believe it. It looked like a landing strip. To make matters worse, the hairs that hadn't been waxed were now standing straight up. I ended up shaving the whole area myself. Maybe next time I'll just stick to shaving. Brazilian waxes aren't the only source of awkward moments for women over 40. Hair removal methods can also provide some cringeworthy experiences. Patricia shares her tale of a laser hair removal mishap. I tried laser hair removal on my upper lip, and it hurt like hell. The technician said it would feel like a rubber band snapping against my skin. She lied. The pain was unbearable, and I couldn't even finish the treatment. I ended up ripping off the laser halfway through. The technician told me I wouldn't have any hair there for a week. Well, she was right, but instead of smooth skin, I was left with bright red bumps that lasted for weeks. Needless to say, I never went back. I think I'm just destined to be a hairy beast. Sometimes the most awkward situations can occur when we least expect them. Like when Carol found herself in a compromising position during a bikini wax. I was getting a bikini wax and the woman doing the wax was very rough. She practically tore the hair out and it was extremely painful. Then she went to grab the next strip of wax and it stuck to my labia. I laughed so hard I cried. She must have felt as embarrassed as I was, because she quickly apologized. Grabbed a mirror and checked to see if she had done damage. I told her I was fine and that it happened to me before, but she still looked traumatized. And finally, we have a story of an unexpected visitor from Tina. My mom was getting a Brazilian wax, and my dad jokingly said he wanted to put a lock on the bathroom door to prevent any interruptions. Little did he know that my brother, who was visiting from out of town, would be staying in the guest house right next door to the bathroom. He decided to surprise my mom by sneaking in through the window to see what was going on. Of course, he was met with an unwelcome sight and had to flee. Needless to say, my mom's Brazilian wax was a memorable experience for everyone involved. From embarrassing mishaps to unexpected guests, these women over 40 have certainly had their fair share of awkward Brazilian wax moments. But through it all, they've managed to find the humor in the situation. So the next time you're feeling a little self-conscious about your waxing experience, just remember that you're not alone. And hey, at least you've got a good story to tell. We hope you enjoyed these hilarious tales as much as we did. If you're still laughing, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more funny content about women over 40. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.